Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, like Yukon Golds, which are perfect for their creamy texture. Also, have on hand 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and some finely chopped celery and red onion. Don't forget 2 hard-boiled eggs, plus salt, pepper, and fresh dill to finish. Next, we'll prepare our potatoes. Wash and peel your 2 pounds of potatoes, then cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes. Place these cubes in a large pot and cover them with cold, salted water. Bring the water to a boil and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are fork tender but not mushy. Drain them well and allow them to cool completely. This is crucial for the best texture. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar to brighten the flavors. Stir in your finely chopped celery and red onion. Finally, season the dressing generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your desired balance. For the final steps, gently combine your cooled potatoes with the creamy dressing in a large bowl. Carefully fold in the 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs, ensuring they don't get mashed. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or pepper. Garnish generously with fresh chopped dill. For the best flavor, chill your potato salad for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.